24 vehicle just took off. Possibly DWI almost hit me in the 7-Eleven parking lot.
10-4, confirming you're still following.
10-4, we're northbound Watson. 24, we just got onto 360 northbound.
Confirming in pursuit.
10-9.
Confirming, are you in pursuit?
10-4.
Space running at 1033 traffic. 480 copy. Station 0, Sergeant.
424, still northbound, has no lights on. We're at 114, can't maintain the lane.
10-4.
444, clear 6 on Raptor.
44 copy.
424, still northbound, approaching Six Flags. He's weaving all over the road. 115.
Copy.
480 copies, pursuit.
10-4.
We're passing, we're exiting Six Flags.
Copy, exiting 6 flat.
480, we have the channel, correct?
10-4.
414 to hold, they have 17 rounds to the pursuit.
Receive. Northbound 360, exiting 6 flags.
424.
Go ahead.
We came to a stop at Six Flags. Now we're proceeding westbound on Six Flags.
Copy, stop, then continue westbound 6 flags.
Vehicle just spun out. Is on the median.
Copy, vehicle spun out. Are you 10-4?
Hey, I'm pinning my phone. I don't know where he is.
Station running at 1034 traffic.
480, get north side on this as well. 24 on TV, route code.
24, be advised, he came at me intentionally.
Station copy.
44, I'm out with 224.
Receive.